How many times have we heard this? Well, why would we pay another subscription fee? We could just, reuse our Microsoft apps internally. Sure, maybe so. You could build. With that being said, I think that the era of build versus buy is kind of no longer. It's buy versus buy, right? It's buying, of course, AI technology and trying to build, or for example, it's buying SaaS and AI technology that is from a vendor that has a finished package. I think that the reason we have to be able to combat on the build is very simple. It is time. And the fact is that we don't have time to wait anymore. We saw just now, of course, there is a workload increase. Time to be able to make impact on that workload needs to be able to be reduced. And therefore, investment in technology needs to close that efficiency gap. The moment that somebody says that they want to build, let's say that, for example, in January 2026 of this year, a few months ago, the beginning of Q1, somebody said, I want to be able to start a project. You got that thumbs up in IT. Awesome. You are anywhere from 12 to 15 months out at best to being able to actually roll out something and, of course, adopt that in the business. The average enterprise has a 4 to 7 month backlog on new IT. Approval cycles can take 6 to 12 weeks, and IT portfolios for large organizations are typically committed already for 8 to 12 months out, meaning that most of the time, new work, new projects are going to wait. And what's the upkeep afterwards? Building, of course, or choosing to build, quote unquote, can stall out the project before it even gets started. To be able to understand, because of course, building could be right for you, right? But to be able to understand if it is right for you or not, what we're offering up as an asset is a decision-making framework, a very simple point system, as you see on screen here, which allows our network to be able to evaluate, is this right for me? Based upon 3 primary categories. Starting from the bottom, it's the outcome urgency. How quickly do you need to roll something out? Who's going to own it? As well as then also the complexity and risk to doing something or not doing something in that case. This will be an asset that you'll be provided with. So you can, of course, utilize this to not only overcome that objection, but see, of course, where you fit within the area of build versus buy.